Hi, my name is Bruce Dorn. I'm one of the staff scientists here at Science North, and you probably have noticed that we are in our shutdown or maintenance period here, and most of you have never seen what happens. So we're going to show you a kind of behind the scenes look of what we do during our shutdown period. Frankly, what we try to do is stuff we can't do when our visitors are around. So here on the fourth floor, we're doing some high-level cleaning, painting some exhibits, maintenance of some exhibits. You're going to see a lot of people cleaning. And right beside me, you will notice there's the wall that's completely empty. We're actually going to be building a whole new exhibit. Don't want to really mention what the exhibit is all about. So you're going to have to come back here at Science North and take a look at that. And on the third floor during the shutdown period, they use the opportunities to clean the habitats, to strip them down, to make sure that everything is nice and clean, and sometimes also do some maintenance. They remove everything, it's all on the floor, it gets really, really dirty, to make sure that everything works well in the habitat, and that by the time that everything's done, the animals get a nice clean and very comfortable habitat. All right, so on the second floor, they are building a new mural right beside here, so that'll be fun to see after shutdown. We also use the opportunity to maintain the lapidary lab and also butterfly gallery. So they're going to be pruning a lot of the different plants and trees, changing the soil. They're doing some structural work to it, a little bit of parging, and a thorough cleaning to make sure that that butterfly gallery is in tip-top shape so that when visitors come in, it looks nice and beautiful. So in addition to all the stuff, all the maintenance that we do on the floors, there's also a lot of behind the scenes maintenance that needs to be done and checkups. So whether it be looking and making sure our electrical grid works fine, checking our fire suppression systems, our fire alarms, waxing floors, so on and so forth. And we use this opportunity to make sure that the building and all the different instruments or machinery that goes with it works fine. And if we have to change it up, it is at this time of the year that we do that. So there's a lot of stuff that happens during the shutdown and maintenance period. We just don't sit here and just twiddle our thumbs. We do a lot of upkeep so that for the following year, our building, our exhibits are working fine so that we can receive a whole bunch of visitors and then visitors can enjoy their time here at Science North. So hopefully we're going to see you right after the shutdown period, and happy shutdown.